Today I'm gonna show you how to reset your service interval on the i30 2014. And if you're gonna do your service like I did it at home, you're gonna want to reset your service light, and you may not have a proper diagnostic tool. But on this model with this kind of steering wheel, as long as you got the reset button, you'll be able to reset the service interval. I will show you now how to do it. So you put the ignition on, and you're gonna have a message here saying service is due, as you can see. Then all you have to do is just scroll until you're gonna see the service there. Yep. So now I'm gonna press and hold this button here, reset button, until it's gonna start flashing on dash. You release it and press it again, and you're done. So if you're doing your service home, you don't need a diagnostic tool to actually reset your service light. All you have to do is just use the reset button. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.